What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys a very simple technique that I use to help me stay focused when I'm mixing a track. Okay, so when you have ADD brain like mine, you get distracted all the time. So for me to feel organized, this is what I do. Okay, so let's get started.
Let's go now and lose ourselves. Shake up all of our stress. Dive deep down the pain, drowning your love for days.
So I have all these tracks here assigned to its own folder and group, right? When I go to mix console, okay, these are the tracks that I can see when I'm mixing the track. Okay, and then I can adjust the fader. I can pan to the right, to the left, and so on. Okay, and I have assigned all these tracks to its own group channel. So this is the group channel for drums, this is for the synth, it's for vocals and background vocals. Okay, I have another mix console that I use as well, which is mix console 2, which only shows me the group channel. Okay, for this track I don't have much group channel yet, but sometimes I'll have about 10 group channels, and I like to see them in a separate mix console window so that I can keep my mind focused actually. Okay, go to this button here. We can see all the channels here that will appear in mix console, right? So right now I want the mix console to show me only the group channel, so I'm gonna have to enable the group channel and disable all the other channels. Okay, to disable it, just click on it. Okay, now I have just a group channel, but I think I'd like to have output channels and also input channels sometimes. Okay, that's how you customize this mix console, right? By using two separate mix window, it helps me to stay focused, and I can get the job done quickly and efficiently. Okay, so if you guys find any value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.